everybody, YouTube world. Just come to say hi. Getting ready to get some things done ready for this winter up here in Michigan. So I'm going to start off with getting the engine in the Buick cleaned up, power wash it. I don't know, this winter I'm going to try to possibly get into pulling the small block out of it and start thinking about getting the big block done. I'd like to, but we'll see how things go. So I'm going to show you what we got here a little bit. This is small block in it, 350, 80,000 original miles. This is a great running engine. Sad I want to pull it, but I always wanted a 455 stage 1. Won't be the real car, but it will be a clone. It will make me happy, and I'm building it for myself. And other than that, I don't care what anybody else thinks about the value of it. Just for me and have fun. So we're going to see about getting this thing cleaned up. Alright, so I'm back. You guys are probably wondering if it started after all that water. Of course it did. It's a Buick. It does not fail. These are one of the best built cars, especially these older ones. You get into any of these older cars, you keep them tuned up and stuff, and they run great. They want to run. They don't want to quit running. There it is, air cleaner off, and I can't believe how much shine this old 53-year-old car. Look at that. That water still beats up. This is the original enamel on this thing yet. We buffed it a couple of years ago. Just make it look good. Alright, we'll see you on the flip side.